There's a fire deep down inside that makes me a winner. And this burning I cannot hide makes me feel I should get up and go. But from the trenches I will rise. I'm a diamond and I will shine. There's no shame that can hold me back. 'Cause I've got this blood in my veins. Must be the sunshine. Oh, 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 Jamaican sunshine. Oh, yeah, man, I want to buy something that, Jamaican sunshine. Went to a festival a few years ago. Come third with the entry. Think we should have the win too. But I one of them thing there, Some experience and thing. But, we're there again. I will come here for chat to you. So we'll cheer and make a reason. See? I read a report in the Gleaner this morning. I wonder if I see good. 2 Jamaicans found dead in the wheelwell of a JetBlue flight going into America. The wheelwell of the plane is where the wheel, after takeoff, the wheel recede up into the plane. See? And that's where it come from when the plane land. I don't know how a man figure him could have hide in there so. And stow away. First time I hear about that is 2 brethren come from Africa. But I understand them do it fairly regular, trying to come from Africa into England and into other parts of Europe. Well, a man, they drop out a one. The plane I go land, I must Gatwick or Heathrow. And a man fall out, frozen, and fall out, and drop in some apartment and something. But a yard man, 2 yard man figure them want to do that. That's why it's desperate down here. Now man, I know we are suffering now. I know things tough and I know say man I go through some things. But that's why it's desperate. That a man will go up under a plane, not finding himself inside the plane, but who could have come up with them something? When you're up in the sky there, the temperature is sometimes way below 0. So you will freeze. No heat, no dead sun, no the plane, bro. Again, me I gotta ask if I say desperate. Or we just not understand what we have. I feel we don't understand what we have. A man sent me a video this morning, coincidentally. Check that, brother.
If you grew up in a place like this, or even this, you were rich. Let me explain. When we were growing up in the Caribbean, we were told one thing over and over. You were poor and the real opportunities are abroad. But what if I told you that this was one of the biggest lies ever told to us? Let me break it down. We weren't just not poor, but we were rich in ways we didn't even realize. And as the years passed, that truth became glaringly obvious. First of all, who came up with the idea that having fresh air, a backyard full of mango trees, and the freedom to run about barefooted was poverty? They had us thinking that not having the latest gadgets or fast food meant we were behind. Now, looking back, the joke is on them. While many countries were drowning in processed foods and pollution, we were eating real food straight from the land. Breadfruit roasting on an open flame, ackee and saltfish and dumpling, and ripe bananas picked fresh from the tree. Those weren't just meals, they were luxury in disguise. Organic food is now $1 billion industry abroad, but we had it for free. What a thingy.
So you see, I think we just not understand what it is we have. Them tell we say everything nice after them place. And oh, this is heaven. And we don't realize that what we have here in these tropical parts is the heaven. We have all the freedom, we have all the food, we have the land, and we have the possibilities. But we don't see it. Because all we do, we follow people. We tell we say feed them thing better. So man, we left and him go foreign and him come back and him have the bling and him very. And him a tell you how life great. But when you go there, him working him ass off. 18 hours a day. Yeah, for make a living. When you can just apply yourself for Jamaica. Who is working 18 hours a day in Jamaica? Why we don't work 18 hours a day in Jamaica? Why we don't find something to work at and apply ourselves for all that time? Would I reach the same kind of success, you know? But no, somebody tell you, say, no, it no work, so. America have gold line the street, England have gold. But them around come here. Them around come here and I call it paradise. Oh, them go to the rivers and them raft and them go to the beaches and them sunbathe and them swim and them pray and you carry nice organic food, go get them eat it and so, whoa, it's the greatest food them ever have. But we are run go for them place go buy food out of tin. We are run go for them place go each up in an apartment when it cold and you can't go outside. Yes? We are run go for them place go when you do go beach in America, dirty beach, you can't swim water dirty. And when not dirty too cold. Yes? I go to beach in California. I'm there on the beach, I'm there on the sun. I see people out there I think there. I surf. See? When I look on the water, I say, how them people are in that? But outside, it look dirty, cold. And we have beach, we can just go swim at Jamaica. Any river, you just go a river and you just swim and, you know. No matter of fact, if you walk up the river coast, you're going to find rose apple and you can just eat and enjoy yourself. But we don't want that to make them tell we say that I know nothing. I look outside right now and I end of the city me there. And I look on an ackee tree through my window. My ackee tree, I look on a mango tree. See? I have banana. Anything I plant can grow. And I just pick and eat. And when I can't eat, I give my friend them. I don't eat ackee. I just give them to my friend them. Who is giving you anything like that in other states? Well, my sister me I talked to them in California the other day. Big up yourself, Nats. So right now, you know, people in a fair area, there are fruits on the tree, there's fruit trees and thing, and you know, people liberal with it. Them gateway and But that is far and few, find that every day. In fact, if you go on a man property in America, you probably get shot. In Jamaica, a man jump the fence, him say my thief 2 mango, you catch him. And he say, brother, what it? What this? And him, boy, bossy, you know me hungry. You say, alright, full your bag and go on. You don't pressure a man like that. You just want a man maybe knock and ask at your gate. But the whole of it just give away fruits, man. Most of it, at any rate, because some of it too hoity-toity and thing. But generally, we grew up around a pan down and I eat fruits off a people tree, man. Then I grew up no less than 20, 30 youth. And we just run up and down, pick mango off a people tree. We're neighbors and the neighbors are alright with us. Because, we were all their kids and we grew one another picnic like that, and the world no works so out there. So what we are run down then? There's no life. And we have the life here, so why don't we preserve this? Why don't we appreciate this and nourish and cherish and protect it? We are trying to store away in the bottom of plane. I know all people Yeah? Go Bahamas and try go America. Boatman throw them off in the water like, see shore out there, so 1 mile out there. Jump off from a boat. Some of them can't swim. Those are the chances that we're taking. And then them go America and them suffer same way. So it makes sense. Some man go make it, you know. Some man eat food, but it's a roll of a dice. And the chances that them have to take to eat this little food. Man go sell them weed, them sell them. What if a man I go west, they go pick up them weed at Jamaica, yeah, and I sell it and still I make a life, you know. If I that a your thing, you know. What we are do? When are we going to wake up to certain realities? When are we going to stop lusting after this illusion of a life? How much more of us are going to try to stow away in the wheelwell of planes? Do make no sense, people. Do make no sense. Yes? Somehow know they are Kingston here. I want to have people them have land a country. Acreages of land. I would never do nothing with it. I prefer they are try stow away. Makes no sense. People, get back to yourself. Yeah? Understand that what we have is best. Understand that what we have is what they want. These people, if them could have moved all the way out of Jamaica and take over Jamaica and send we go for them place, you think them wouldn't do it? How much people, how much rich man you know from America have all sort of cottages and things in Jamaica, in the countryside? They know that we have paradise, people. So we have to recognize that. See? Yeah, man. I may say this out of love for my people. May I try open on the eyes to certain things. Yeah? Like, share, and subscribe, you know. See? One love. Andy Livingston again. Out.